Okay, so a bunch of people have been asking us how we do premieres, and also we got some questions about the ending, like how you add in your subscribe button and whatnot. I mean, not a bunch of people, a few, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I don't think you can do it from the app. I think you have to go to youtube.com on the web, and I believe you can do it from your phone. I always use PC, so I'm not quite sure. But okay, I'm gonna show you guys. You go to upload video, you go to select your file. This is one that we actually need to upload, so I'll just show you with this. So as you can see over here, there's an option for Premiere, but what you want to do is schedule it. I'm not quite sure when I'm going to schedule this. I don't think I'm going to post it right now, but just to show you guys. Okay, scheduled for November 26th. I'm not going to do all this. It's going to take too long. But there's this option right here, and you just slide over the Premiere and go ahead and hit this button up at the top, and it will post as a premiere, and it'll be on there until it actually comes on. I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm not even sure if we are going to post this video, but I just wanted to show you guys. And then also let me show you how to do the end credits real quick. You go to Creator Studio, again on youtube.com. I don't know how to do any of this from the phone. I don't think you can. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna have to get rid of that because I don't need it there. Anyway, so I'll just like go to this video to show you. You go to end screen and annotations, and you go to add element. I've already done it. Well, okay. You go to add element, and then if you want to add a subscribe button, you click create, and it'll just pop up, and then you can put it wherever you want to. And then video or playlist, you just choose whatever you want to put on, and you can just move it around like that, although I don't need that there, so I'm going to get rid of it. But that was just a quick video to show you guys. Again, I don't think you can do this from your phone, from the app on your phone. So what you're gonna have to do is go on the web, type in youtube.com, sign into YouTube, and do it this way. I can't figure out how to do it the other way. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helped somebody out. And stay awesome, guys. Until next time.